pretty brown eyes, you know you see them. Can you see? So the video you're about to see is my makeup tutorial, and I'm literally starting from scratch. So you'll see me without makeup. And when I say that, it's like without eyebrows. So you'll get to see me draw my eyebrows on and whatnot. But I forgot to say this. For those that may complain about their eyebrows and be like, oh man, they're too bushy, be grateful for your eyebrows, because there's some people out there, who just wish that they can have full eyebrows. So yeah, I still got mine on. I didn't feel like taking them off, but I took all the other makeup off. But enjoy the video. Hola, ¿cómo estás? So today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm showing you my simple makeup routine. First, we're going to start off by moisturizing the face. I just washed it with African black soap. And y'all, you may be like, okay, your face looks a little odd. She has no eyebrows. And you're kind of right, but my hairs are really thin. I don't know what year they started coming out, but this is just me without me filling in my eyebrows, but you'll see it. Mango butter with hibiscus. I had to do like a trial and error with it because it was hard at first, but now it's soft. So if you guys would like a video on how I made this, let me know in the comments below, because I'll be glad to do it. But you don't need a lot, like just a tap, that's all you need. It goes on so easily and it melts in my hands because a girl cannot see without her glasses. It's just a big blob, a big blur. So I'm gonna start off L'Oreal dark brown. This is deep brunette. Deep brunette. Say what? Say what? So even though I don't have much hair, it itches. So I'm scratching it with this spoolie brush. I don't care. I don't. Alright. We're gonna put, it's gonna go on like that. You see? I'm just dabbing it. I received these brushes from my cousin, Brittani. She has her own makeup line. Yeah. So I was so excited. And I always, like, okay, there's one thing you must know about me. I'm not like a huge makeup person, but I do appreciate makeup for what it does. I mean, people who, all the makeup artists out there, makeup artists that I know and makeup artists that I don't know, kudos to you guys, because you guys do a great job. And it takes, I think it takes a lot. Like, you have to have that eye, know when to stop, you know, adding foundation or whatever, or all the other powder you guys use and whatnot. So that's awesome. I'm going to be using this brush okay? My first time. I think these things are so cute. I remember seeing these like when they first came out, and like I said, never was really into makeup like that, but I'm kind of starting to dabble in it. Not like I'm gonna become a makeup artist or anything, but you know, I want to do my makeup when I'm like on set or whatever, and they don't. And now that it's COVID, and when you go out on set, like what I had to do when I went to Schenectady, New York, I had to do my own makeup. I was on set for a show, an Amazon show. Stay tuned, guys, and I'll let you know about that. So yeah, I had to do my own makeup, so it's good to know how to do your own makeup. But also, if you don't want to wear makeup, perfectly okay. Just make sure your skin is, just make sure you take care of your skin. Like me, I be popping my pimples, my blackheads and whatnot. I was eating good at one point, and then I just like fell off of it. I'll get back there. Was doing the juicing and all that, and then it's like I just not consistent. So I don't know how to use these. So I'm really just taking a whack at it here. What am I doing here? What am I doing? Did I put too much? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna take my glasses off. Duh, girl. I think I'm doing it right. I mean, what other way? Y'all. What in the world? Did I put too much? Now I'm gonna go in with this foundation Amber Kai gave me. It's all neutral colors, and nothing like a neutral color palette. Ain't nothing like it except another neutral color palette. Amen. Can I get an amen? All right, so I'm gonna use one of these colors or two of these. I like doing like smoky eye, so I'll do excuse me, I'll do the shimmering one for my base, like right there. Oh yeah, honey. Oh yeah, y'all. That's something. So in no way, shape, or form am I telling anyone to follow how I'm doing my makeup, because I am not a professional. I am not licensed, as you can see, as you can tell. Okay. And then I like this copper right here. I'll put it in the middle. Put a little more, girl. Put a little more, girl. And then I'm gonna do the brown right here. Yes. Oh, I'm using my finger. I'm so used to using my fingers. I could have used a brush right there. Maybe I'll use the brush to blend it in. one of the little brushes. Brush, yeah. It's so cute. It's so cute. And I'm squinting because I obviously can't see. Can't have my glasses on in this portion of the video. Texting me. Oh, she texted me. I didn't think she was gonna text me. Alright, so I'm blending that all in. Look like Thanksgiving colors. Alright. And one of my favorite, what is it? One of my favorite parts of doing any simple makeup routine, like this isn't it. The foundation wouldn't be an everyday for me. Like I'll just go with no foundation. And just do my eyebrows. But anytime that I do like a, I don't want to say glammed up look, but just like a neutral look, I love doing eyeliner. And sometimes I will do eyeliner like for if I do an everyday look. I used to do that when I was in college. I still used to do like some eyeliner every day. I love the boldness of it. You know, I'll just use the mirror right here because if I go too far, y'all won't be able to see me, so I'll do it right here. And this I used to be scared of too. My oily hands got my mirror dirty. Okay. I'm scrolling out here. Put that right there. Hold on, okay. Pretty brown eyes, you know you see them. Can you see? I'm so silly. Alright, last but not least, mascara. Okay, I definitely need a close up for this. When people do my mascara, I flinch. Did I say that already? I'd be like blinking like that. But when I'm trying to control my blink. I'm trying. It's almost like putting contacts on. Almost. See, I'm getting makeup on my eyeshadow. Try to mascara myself with my own hot breath. It's actually kind of cool. I have a cool breath right now. More. This is why I struggle with the inner corners, but I'm doing my best. Oh my God. I'll clean it up. Let's see how it looks. It looks good. Now I gotta clean up the eyeshadow. Where is my lip liner? Come on. It's another eyeliner. Oh my god, where is it? Found it. I did not see it. Honey boo boo. I love doing lip liner, brown lip liner. I'm gonna put more lip liner on. I want to put more lip liner on. Draw that thing on there, girl. Don't be shy. So guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Here is my finished look. Foundation, my lips, take my glasses off, my eyes, brows, eyeliner. I mean, it's good for someone who is not a makeup artist. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like, comment. If you don't comment, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then you can hit the little notification bell. Oh, but you can't get the little notification bell if you don't subscribe. Okay? So, like, comment, and subscribe. If you could do that all for me, I'd appreciate it. Alright, stay tuned and look out for some more content. Be blessed, be happy, be merry, be cool.